Schramm is a privately owned company. It's been around for a very long period of time, close to 100 years. We have, I would say, 150 employees plus. Our primary market is we make drilling rigs, but our rigs are mainly track mounted, truck mounted, basically mobile rigs. We do drilling for oil, gas, geothermal applications, water well applications, gas sequestration applications. We're basically in the business of putting holes in the ground. It's known in the industry, it's very well respected, and it has a name even to non-technical people. So when you have to sell the results of your design, having it basically based on an Ansys analysis, it makes it much easier to do. And the scalability of the software is also a big factor. I don't have to worry about, okay, now I need to do more dynamic analysis, move into the explicit range. Ansys has that capability to expand into, whereas other products, I'm stuck. I have to look into buying a whole nother software suite, whereas just being able to expand the Ansys product and not having to worry about learn new interfaces all over again and learning a whole new CAD tool just to be able to expand my analysis capabilities. Ansys basically gives me the capability to look at the entire rig, make sure that everything is going to work together the way we think it's going to work. And right now we have the Ansys structural product. We do hope to grow in the future to moving to the explicit, which gives us more of the shock, dynamic loading, and more of the fatigue analysis that we plan on getting into as we grow with the product. The advantage to Ansys itself, the advanced meshing tools that are in there, the ability to solve these large structures which are borderline between needing large deformation effects and not needing them. The solvers are robust enough to be able to handle that borderline situation and give me results quickly, which is something that the lower end FEA tools could not do. We are doing a better job of putting a good product out first time round instead of waiting for a year or two of having a product on a job site, getting feedback, constantly having to respond to that feedback, finding out where the weak points really are, because the analysis work that was done before was more piecework, whereas the Ansys tool lets us look at the entire system, see how the system is performing, and then design up front for those weaknesses and taking those things out. We've had the tool for about a year now, and I would say probably Ansys customer service is probably the best customer service I've ever gotten out of a software vendor in the 30 years of engineering that I've been working with. I think Ansys has given me the capability within the organization to be able to present to management, present to the rest of the engineering team good, reliable results from the analyses that we've done. Something that when I basically have to go back and sell this, I can personally be more confident in what it is that I'm giving them.